Hey everyone, I am that hobby guy. Today's lesson will be on calligraphy using a mechanical pencil and a piece of college ruled notebook paper. Calligraphy to me is a fancy cursive, and I know that some schools, if not all schools nowadays, don't even teach cursive. So this is your time to learn the fun and easy way. With that being said, let's get started. When practicing your calligraphy, you're going to want to start in a small circular motion going across the page. Don't get discouraged if your lines aren't perfect. The more you practice this technique, the better you'll get at it. That's only a given. You're building the muscle memory. And the reason for the small circular motion is to help with the consistency of your calligraphy. And as you can tell, when I'm going down on the circles, it looks thicker. The reason being is I'm putting more pressure going down and letting loose going back up. Keep practicing. I went through a whole notebook to get where I am today. Now right here, we're going to start on the letter A. As you can tell, I'm going up with light pressure and going down with more pressure. I'll repeat this quite a few times actually. Repetition is key, y'all. This next part, I'm going to be connecting the A to the B. It's the same process. Going down with pressure, up with none. I'll repeat this 3 times. And now I'm going to be doing the A, B, and C, the same process over and over again. And the reason for the small circle technique is to keep this nice and smooth. I'm just going to go ahead and do the whole alphabet now. Smooth sailing from here.